Great. So James Paynefield, I'm from TCL Professional, so thank you for our booth. We're excited to be at Infocomm 2026, showcasing some of our newest technologies that have come out in the past year. This is our anniversary of our second Infocomm at TCL Professional.
So you're showing some digital signage at this show. Can we check this one out?
Absolutely.
What is this big one here?
So our new product right here, so this is our global debut of our own LED product lineup. So we are manufacture our own COB product line through CSOT, our manufacturing arm at TCL. I'm very excited to have this as a part of our portfolio. This is just the beginning of our LED portfolio. So this is a 136-inch unit. It's a all COB technology onto it, 5-year manufacturer warranty. You can see in the bottom right here, you have capability of a soundbar through TCL or any other soundbar connected to it as well. You can connect to it.
Is it a 4K?
This is actually a full HD, so not 4K. We do have 4K options. As we gravitate through the end of this year, we'll do full customized solutions as well, indoor, outdoor units, rental product, and 4K, all for different applications as well.
So how's it a big deal that CSOT is going ahead to do the LED business?
Yeah,
it means another fab,
yes,
right?
Yeah.
Does it mean that?
Right, what it really means is a full digital signage solution, right? So LCD is one portion. We've seen the market of LEDs getting big. There's a lot of other competitors.
It's top 2 LCD factory in the world, right?
Correct, yeah. Top 2 manufacturers, CSOT, so they want to make part of the LED world as well. And we're very proud to have them as part of our manufacturing arm for LED as well. So we're looking to win some very big projects for our LED product.
Nice. It's lots going to happen in the future, next few years.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
The goal is that everybody should get one of these at home, but that's a different question.
Right, yeah.
We're in a professional business trade show right here.
Correct. So, and the product is now available for home use too, right? So you actually can purchase a 136-inch consumer display as well. So bigger is better, right? So 136 inches is large.
I want 136-inch 8K.
Not yet. So
a little bit later.
Yeah,
1 or 2 years.
Right, and the big thing with TCL is we are all about manufacturing a scale of we're not interested in niche products, right? So we're interested in the mainstream product that everybody's really going to be purchasing, and that's what CSOT really does for us. Is it gives us that global manufacturing scale where we actually provide a lot of panels, a lot of LED panels at a really affordable price for our customers.
And so when you do so many LCDs.
Yep.
You can really do a big business with digital signage.
Correct.
There's actually millions of screens out there.
Yes. This through TCL Professional ourselves and any OEM products we have out there. There's a lot more TCL products that are out there that we know of. So.
And you just take a TV and you flip on the side and it's digital signage?
Not really.
No,
so I wish it was that easy, right? So if you see a logo that's going crooked, that's probably not a digital signage product that should be put in that portfolio. So all of our product here is the TMN series, that are flagship product. So it really is we have 115-inch to 32-inch sizes. Anything in between. So you see here a portrait landscape on all the sizes for our 24/7 panels. Some of the uniqueness we have onto it is we do come to market with a 5-year manufacturer warranty right out of the gate. You don't need to add any additional warranty onto it. We actually have a 5 years, so we have a competitive advantage, especially for cost of ownership, right? So customers are always looking about how long can they keep these around for? What's the manufacturer warranty look like? We come to a strong manufacturer offering right out of the box on it.
So any burn-in or like problem with the corner of the screen, just replace it, right?
Yeah, we're going to replace it. It's covered. That's normal wear and tear because it's a 24/7 panel.
Maybe even ship the other one, the replacement to them. They use the same box to ship it back to you?
It depends, right? So we're going to ship it back if it makes sense, right? Or we'll ask for scrap and field. It's a smaller unit. If it's a 115-inch or a bit larger investment into it, we may ask for it to be back, but we're very efficient when it comes to supporting the product line.
What is this? Pretty big?
Yeah, 98 in size. So that's actually just started shipping recently. So very excited about having that part of our portfolio. Our 115-inch size will be shipping in October this year. So very soon we'll have our complete product portfolio.
How good is this one?
Was that?
How good is it?
It's very good. So it's actually a high-end unit here. It does have a higher color gamut opportunity that other panels do not have in the industry. So if we go side by side, some of our other competitors are out there, it's going to show a higher color gamut. So we're always asking for customers for validation. If you need to reproduce a tractor supply red, we want to make sure you're reproducing the red that they require for their installations.
When people have a TV at home, They don't watch it 24/7 usually.
Right. Yeah, hopefully not.
Hopefully. But digital signage could be on
All
way
day.
more hours per day, right?
Correct. Way more.
So yeah, does that mean it's different manufacturing?
Right, so it's manufactured at a scale of heat sinks and capabilities. It's rated for a longer use, and that makes it a different panel from your normal consumer panel that's just rated to needs to be turned off at the end of the night, cool itself down, refresh itself, and if you do put a consumer panel into commercial space, a lot of times the warranty is voided, right? So that's the last thing we want to see is put the wrong product in the wrong application and disappoint a customer that they don't have a failed product.
And you also don't want to use too much power on those big screens.
Correct. So they're very efficient. Each one of our products are EP certified for it. So we have ESG is a very important process of our manufacturing capability.
Nice. What happened on this side?
This is another example.
Inch?
Yeah, this is a 65-inch size. Yep, it got a portrait mode that's on it.
And here we have another one.
Yep, it's also the 75-inch size, the same series, 75-inch size. You can also notice from an angle there, it's anti-glare, so 25% anti-glare on the side. So the big difference within that as well is your anti-glare helps with fight against your ambient light, your sunlight from the windows. But you should think about this are going to go for ordering, right? You're going to order a McDonald's burger onto it. You're going to order it's made for making money, right? They can't read the screen and they need to walk around to see it. It's very important to be able to see it at all times.
What do we see here?
So it's going to be our 85-inch size.
Nice.
So very similar. And then right next to them is going to be our new product, which is it's going to be available early next year. So it's going to be an outdoor product. So fully enclosed. It's made for your QSR environments, drive-through environments, fully enclosed, 55.
4,000 nits.
Yeah, 4,000 nits, correct.
Wow. And it's like weatherproof.
Yeah, fully enclosed, weatherproof, IPX certified. Anti-yellowing, anti-discoloration, so we're taking care of some of the issues that are out there in the QSR right now where you're seeing some brownouts and yellowing in it. Our technology is going to make sure that there's no issues on it. Again, 5-year manufacturer warranty to take care of the customer that's on it.
Let's walk through your bar here. What do you have set up here for the bar?
So our biggest industry right now that we have the most success is actually in the QSR. So right now we're just showcasing how it would look from my 1x3 scenario of setting up for a QSR environment. So very successful within it so far. We had good
What's this one?
It's just a prototype.
Okay,
Just a prototype.
prototype.
We're not selling that today.
A secret project. Yeah. Here I see some logos of partners.
Absolutely. So that's a really more important thing for us is our partnership and ecosystem. So we're building panels and we're also building partnerships as well, right? So we're not interested in being the software sales ourselves. There's a lot of great CMS partners, MDM partners are out there. We're making sure that we're validating, work with those partners, having great relationships with those partners, ensuring that we're having great channel management ecosystem partner with us.
So how's it been the last couple years in this business? The TCL Professional.
Yeah, so it's out of a couple years. This is a 1-year anniversary for us. So last year, Infocomm, right? I had 0 distributors last year. I had 0 sales last year. This is our first year. So we started shipping November this year. And it's been about a 7-month journey.
And you're already market leader?
No, I wish I was.
So how is it growing?
We're very rapidly. We're actually growing very, very fast right now. We have a lot of resellers that are actually interested into it. This is the first time I've been to Infocomm in the past 14 years where I didn't have to ask anybody for a meeting. They've asked for my time and they're coming to us. They want to partner with us. So we're very excited that customers are wanting to partner with us. They understand the TCL as being a market disruptor and we're very, very aggressive. So we are going very aggressive in terms of our market share and we're looking at being number 1 very, very quickly.
And what are you going to do with those Olympic rings?
Yeah, so you notice that it's
what are you going to do about that?
So we are Olympic sponsorship. So we have
2 years, right?
8 years, 8-year contract with the IOC. So Milano just finished. We are the video provider for them. We're very excited to be partnering with them for the LA 28 Olympics coming up soon.
So you'll have a bunch of digital signage all over LA.
You're going to see a lot of digital.
And there'll be smart AI avatars or something cool.
Yeah, LED is going to be a big portion of that. So rental grade product that they need for viewership and of anybody attending any of those events for that. Very excited about that partnership they'll have coming up right now with the Olympics. We're also a sponsor with NFL as well. So that's one of our AV video provider for the NFL. So we're definitely working with other NFL sports stadiums as well.
And it's really professional
Yes,
to work on this?
Very professional, yes. Very professional. We're definitely making lots of partnerships and relationships these days with our partners.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.